My name is Ms. Rashmi Chhetri and today we are going to do a new chapter in science. Okay? The name of the chapter is Solids, Liquids and Gases. And it's chapter number 8. Following Lakshmi Singh science book. Okay? I suppose that you all are ready with your science book and the page number is, it's page number 78. Okay? So, but before that, before starting the class, as I have introduced myself also, and I want to say that I hope that you all are doing well and you all are safe at home, my dear kids. Okay? Be very safe and be alert and be careful. Okay? So let's start the class. The topic we are going to learn today is matter. That what is matter? And it's very interesting chapter because after this chapter you will be able to know about matter, states of matter. First of all, you will come to know about what is matter. Then you will come to know about the states of matter. Then changing states of matter, and lastly the solution. Okay? So you see, my dear kids, we all are surrounded by the number of things. Am I right? हमारे आसपास हम किस चीज से सराउंडेड है? बहुत सारी चीजों से सराउंडेड है ना. If we look left, if we look right, if we look in front or back, we can see the number of things. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, like for example, like trees, table, chair, bed, and plants, river. All this, we all are surrounded by all these things and vehicles, right? Now all these things have some weight. वो जितने भी चीज है, हम अपने चारों ओर जिन चीजों को देखते हैं, उन सब का एक weight है ना. That has weight and it also occupies space. Am I right? Suppose this is a book. Okay, right now I have this book with me and if I keep this book on the table, ठीक है? ये book मैंने टेबल पे रख दिया. Okay? ये बुक का तो वेट है ना. एंड ये बुक कोई स्पेस को भी ऑक्यूपाई करता है. सपोज अगर मैं ये टेबल के बीच पे या कहीं पर भी टेबल पे रख दूं तो उसने अपना एक जगह ले लिया ना वहाँ पे टेबल से. यस, दैट्स व्हाट इज कॉल्ड मैटर. ओके? मैटर इज एनीथिंग अराउंड अस. वी सी द बुक वी रीड or the vehicles we go from, right? These all are matter and matter can be anywhere. Understood? Matter is anything that has weight and that occupies space. Clear? समझ में आ गया ना? What is matter? आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया, right? Matter is anything that has weight and that occupies space. मतलब कि the things we see around us or we are surrounded with many number of things, right? So that all things occupy some space and they have some weight. So all these things are matter only. Understood? समझ में आ गया? If I have this pen, okay, it also has some weight, and if I keep this marker in the table or anywhere, it will occupy the space, right? ये अपना जगह बना सकता है वहाँ पे, मतलब ले सकता है. Yes, this all is called matter. Understood? So everyone say with me, matter is anything that has weight and occupies space. Clear? आप लोगों को समझ में तो आ गया, right? What is matter? So now let's read about states of matter. Okay? Now see, my dear students, matter is made up of tiny small molecules. ठीक है? Tiny small particles से बनता है. Matter क्या होता है? एक छोटे tiny particles से बनते हैं and that is called molecules. Understood? Matter is made up of small tiny molecules, particles, and that is called molecules. ठीक है? And molecules क्या होते हैं ना, एक दूसरे से attached रहते हैं, बहुत forcefully वो चीज attached रहता है. Molecules are attached by each other forcefully. ठीक है? मतलब एकदम टाइट तरीके से forcefully वो एक दूसरे से attached रहते हैं. ठीक है? So states of matter, there are 3 states of matter. Okay? There are total 3 states of matter and that is solid, liquid How many states of matter are there? There are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Understood? अब now what is solid? Let's talk about solid. Okay? Solid क्या होता है? This book, right? इसका एक shape है. Now here I have written the properties of solid. Okay? It has fixed shape and size. Yes. This is a solid. Okay? Solid क्या होता है? कुछ भी चीज जो अपना उसका shape होता है. And solid are closely packed. मतलब solid में जो molecules होते हैं ना, as I have said that matter is made up of tiny particles called molecules. अब solid में क्या होता है? वो molecules होता है, they all are forcefully means attached. वो एक दूसरे से इतना पैक रहते हैं कि वो अपना एक फिक्स जगह रहता है, ठीक है? And they cannot move here and there. Understood? Like I have written here, they cannot flow because solid क्या होता है? वो एकदम tight, forcefully एक दूसरे से packed रहते हैं. Understood? And if we pack even something, हम किसी चीज को pack करते हैं, किसी solid चीज को, तो क्या होता है? वो इधर-उधर हिल नहीं पाता ना. They cannot move, they cannot flow. Yes. Solids have fixed shape and size. Solids have fixed shape and size, right? उसका एक अपना एक shape and अपना एक size रहता है. And if we cut that also, it will convert it into different shape. Like they are easy to hold. Solid को हम अच्छे से पकड़ सकते हैं. Like book को, yes, we can hold, right? And can be cut to shape. Solids can be cut into different shapes. Understood? Solid क्या होता है? Solid. The properties of solids are solid have fixed shape and size. Solid क्यों ऐसा होता है? Because the molecules inside them are closely packed, are forcefully packed to each other that the molecules even could not vibrate to move up. Molecules जो होते हैं वो इतने tightly closely packed होते हैं कि वो एक दूसरे के साथ means move नहीं, they cannot move from here and there. Even they cannot vibrate also. Okay? मतलब वो fixed रहते हैं, stable रहते हैं. And molecules, solid things are very easy to be hold. It takes a definite shape and size, and solid things cannot flow, and it can be cut to different shape and size. Okay? These all are solids. So now let's talk about liquid. Now tell me students, what are all this? We are talking about solid, liquid and gas. These all things are the states of matter. Okay? As I have told you that matter is anything that has some weight and that occupies space. Right? So right now we are learning the states of matter. अब matter में कितने states हैं? Solid, liquid, gas. 3 states हैं. We have learned about solid. Now we will talk about liquid. Liquid does not have a definite shape. Liquid का कोई shape नहीं होता है, but आप liquid को अगर कोई container में डालोगे तो वो container का shape ले सकता है. For example, water or milk. Any liquid, मतलब water, milk, all these are liquid only. क्या water, milk का कोई shape होता है? No. Can you hold that? It is not easy to hold. means आप hold ही नहीं कर पाओगे. Solid things को तो आप hold कर सकते हो. You can hold the solid things, but can you hold the liquid? No, you cannot hold because it does not have any shape and it cannot be holded by us. But it takes the shape of the container. अब आप पानी को, water को या फिर milk को कोई container में डालोगे तो वो क्या करेगा? अपना shape तो नहीं बनाएगा ना, but जो container का shape है वो container का shape वो ले लेगा. समझ में आया? Suppose for water, okay? Water को आप एक glass में डालो. Understood? This is an activity you can try. Okay? Take a bottle of water. आप एक bottle में पानी लो and उसका आप 2 utensils लो. ठीक है? एक glass लो. You can take one glass and one like any other utensils like जो होता है ना आपके घर में जिसमें और सब्जियां बनती है वो सब. You can take one glass and that type of one utensil. Now pour the water in both of that container. आप वो पानी एक glass में डालो और वही पानी दूसरे utensil में भी डालो जो आप यूज करने वाले हो. Now what you have will observe that water will take the shape of that container. Suppose water लंबा and circle होता है तो water वही shape में आएगा. And the other container आप जो भी दूसरे container में डाल रहे हो, like if it is square in shape, then the water will take that square shape only. Understood? Right? So liquid do not have fixed shape. Liquid do not have fixed shape. Takes the shape of the container. Yes, but it takes the shape of the container. You can try this activity as I have said. Okay? And flow from higher level to lower. Now, if for water, if you pour that water from a higher level, तो क्या होगा? वो lower level में भी जा सकता है ना? Right? And have a fixed volume. It has a fixed volume. Understood? These were the properties of liquid. That liquid does not have any shape, but it takes the shape of the container. And the example of liquids are water, milk, right? We cannot hold the liquids, but yes, if we pour that liquid in some container, then it will take the shape of the container only. Understood? Now let's talk about gases. Okay, so these are the properties I have written. Gases do not have definite shape and it's spread out to fill up all the space. Now what is gas? Now see my dear students that जब पानी like you have seen ना, जब मम्मा आपकी खाना आपको कुक करती है या फिर वाटर को बॉईल करती है तो उसमें से गरम, जब वो गरम रहता है when it is hot तो एक भाप निकलता है ना, वेपर. Yes, तो वो वेपर क्या है? Gas है. Yes, we can see some gases, right? You have seen ना that when water is boiled, आपकी मम्मा किचन में वाटर बॉईल करती हैं, फिर खाना पकाती हैं, she used to cook, right? Now when the food is cooked or when the hot things are there, hot materials, hot foods are there, then you can see that some gases, vapors are coming out, right? Vapors वहाँ से कुछ भाप निकलता है ना? You have seen ना? Yes, that is called gases. Understood? Gases do not have, उसका कोई shape नहीं होता, right? Gases का कोई shape होता है, आपने देखा है वो जो भाप वेपर निकलता है उसका कोई shape होता है? No, it does not have any shape and it's spread out to fill up all the space and it can be spread out. Like you have seen when you have seen the hot things जब मम्मा कुक करती है या फिर you might have seen the water boiling, right? तो जब वाटर बॉईल हो जाता है उसके बाद उसका जो वेपर निकलने लगता है, the gases that comes out, it spreads away all the way, right? So, and they are often visible. Gases are sometimes often, like sometimes they are visible. Like I've given the example of food, right? So now these were the three states of matter. First we have learned about solid. Secondly we have learned about liquid, and thirdly we have learned about gases. So these were the three states of matter. समझ में आया आप लोगों को यहाँ तक? Okay? Again, after the lesson, I will again do a recap. Okay? Now we have learned about matter. We have learned about states of matter. Now we will learn about the changing states of matter. Understood? Now see my dear students, in our daily life we see all these things. Okay? Changing state of matter क्या होता है? Now I'm gonna tell you. Okay? So these are the changing states of matter. जैसे कि matter change कैसे होता है? Okay? Suppose for there are two process and in that two process ये three method होता है. They are called heating. First is heating. Heating में आता है melting, evaporation and then cooling. That is condensation. Okay? Now let's see this. These all are the changing states of matter. ठीक है? Changing states of matter. First let's talk about heating. Okay? When the water or when the solid, let's take an example, ice cube. Okay? You took out ice cube. Understood? अब वो ice cube को अगर आप वो ice cube को और any liquid को आप heat करोगे, then what happen? जब heat करते हो ice cube को अगर आप heat करोगे तो वो liquid में change होगा ना, right? Ice cube, you know ना ice cube. अगर आप उस चीज को ice cube को अगर आप heat करोगे water में, then what will happen? That will be melt. Ice cube जो होगा वो melt हो जाएगा, right? वो पिघल जाएगा, वो पानी बन जाएगा, right? And that is called melting. Understood? Ice जब पानी या फिर not even melting, when you take out ice cube, when you take out the ice cube, then what happens? आप ऐसे भी रख दोगे तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? वो melt हो जाएगा. It will change into liquid. That means ice cube is an example of solid, and when it is took out and जब वो हम निकालते हैं ice cube को, तो वो किस चीज में change हो जाता है? वो पिघल जाएगा एंड दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड मेल्टिंग। वो प्रोसेस को कहते हैं मेल्टिंग। अंडरस्टूड? नाउ दैट लिक्विड ओनली, जो आइस क्यूब से आपको पिघला हुआ जो मेल्ट होके जो पानी आपको मिला, जब वो पानी को आप बॉईल करोगे फायर में या फिर लाइक गैस स्टोव में आप जब फायर करोगे तो क्या होगा उसमें से, आई टोल्ड यू ना दैट व्हेन वी सी अ हॉट बॉइलिंग वाटर, देन जब वाटर को बॉईल कर रहे हो तो क्या निकलता है उसमें से, भाप निकलता है ना, दैट इज कॉल्ड इवापोरेशन। Understood? Okay, again I'm explaining, okay? First, solid. Understood? Solid. Example of solid is ice cube. अब जब आप ice cube को बाहर निकालोगे फ्रीज से या फिर रेफ्रिजरेटर से, ice cube को जब बाहर निकालते हो, then what will happen? It will melt. वो पिघल जाता है, right? Yes, I was talking about ice cube, right? Ice cube is a solid, and when we take out ice cube from the refrigerator, then what will happen? It will melt. That means ice cube will turn into liquid, right? Solid will turn into liquid. And when we heat that liquid, when we heat that water, when we boil that water, then what happens? वहाँ से एक भाप निकल के आता है, and that is called evaporation. Understood? Now, when evaporation क्या होता है, वो भाप निकलता है, right? Now what happen? वो जब भाप again turns into, that vapor will again turn into liquid only. आपने देखा है ना, like water boiling को, you can do this activity, okay? जब वो vapor निकलता है, evaporation, that is called evaporation, वो जब vapor निकलता है ना, then you might have seen that in the container, right? In the container you will see that vapor, when it that vapor comes out to the container, तो वो एक tiny droplets निकलते हैं, वो पानी बन जाता है ना again, so that process is called condensation. Okay, understood? Suppose take the glass of hot water. Okay, you can like take the help of your parents only for this. Take the glass of hot water and cover that glass with some container. एक प्लेट से या किसी भी चीज से आप उसको ढको, तो क्या होगा, आप जब उठा के देखोगे वहां से वेपर आएगा, राइट? तो वो वेपर जो प्लेट में लगा है वो अगेन पानी में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, एंड अगेन इट विल, दैट वेपर विल टर्न इनटू liquid, and that process is called condensation. और when that vapor has been cooled, जब वो वेपर जब ठंडा हो जाता है तो वो अगेन पानी में टर्न हो जाता है। Understood? So that process is called condensation. And my dear students, raining like water cycle जो है ना, water cycle के बारे में आपने पढ़ा है, that is the best natural example of changing states of matter. Understood? You might have learned about the water cycle, and that is the natural example of changing states of matter. Understood? Today we have learned about matter, states of matter, changing states of matter. Now we will do the solution, solvent, and the types of solution and what is solution. Okay, firstly we have learned that what is matter, and then we have learned the states of matter, then we have done the changing states of matter. Now we are going to learn about solution. Now what is solution? Okay, for this let's read the definition also. Okay, so if you open to page number this 82, you will get the solution. A solution is a mixture of one substance to another. Solution क्या है? Mixture है, one substance to another. दो substance के mixture को solution कहते हैं. Understood? Now solution has two types. That is, solution के कितने types है? Two types है. वो है solute and solvent. Okay. Now what is solute? Solute is that is being dissolved by another substance. Solute वो है जो दूसरी चीज उसको mix कर सकते हैं. Like for example, okay, I have a glass of water or milk. Okay, I have a glass of milk and sugar. Okay, तो आपको भी मम्मा आपको like milk पीने को देती है ना, then she adds sugar, right? तो वो add क्या, sugar जब milk में डालते हो तो वो dissolve हो जाता है ना, वो घुल जाता है ना. Yes. Now suppose this is a glass of milk and this is a spoon of sugar. Okay. Now this is solute. ठीक है, क्योंकि वो mix हो सकता है, वो dissolve हो सकता है. Dissolve means कि वो घुल सकता है, मिल सकता है. And this is called solvent, जो उसको mix करा सकता है. Understood? Firstly, solution is a mixture of two substances. Okay, and solution has two types, that is solvent and solute and solvent. Okay. Now solute is, example of solute is sugar सॉल्यूट एंड सॉल्वेंट का एग्जांपल क्या हुआ, मतलब कि जो चीज मिक्स करा सकते हैं, ओके, लाइक सपोज सॉल्ट लिया, आई हैव टू सॉल्ट एंड आई हैव टू वाटर, एंड सॉल्ट इज अ सॉल्यूट एंड वाटर इज अ सॉल्वेंट, क्योंकि वो मिक्स कर सकते, ये मिक्स सॉल्यूट मिक्स हो सकता है एंड सॉल्वेंट मिक्स करा सकता है। अंडरस्टूड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सॉल्यूट एंड सॉल्वेंट? सॉल्यूट कैन बी मिक्स्ड एंड सॉल्वेंट कैन बी, सॉल्वेंट क्या करा सकता है, मिक्स करा सकता है। अंडरस्टूड? नाउ these also have two parts, okay, solvent and solution, जो solution का भी, इसका भी और एक part है, that is miscible and immiscible, okay, it does not comes under the part of solution only, but in this chapter we will learn about miscible and immiscible. Now what is miscible? Miscible is something when two liquids can be mixed up with each other, जब दो लिक्विड एक दूसरे के साथ मिक्स हो सकते हैं, that is called miscible. For example, water is a liquid and rose syrup, गुलाब जल आपको पता है ना, तो when we add this together, when water and rose syrup are added together, तो वो घुल सकता है, मिल सकता है, so that is called miscible. And immiscible, when two liquids cannot be mixed. For example, water is a liquid and oil is also a liquid, तो आप जब water में oil को डालोगे तो क्या वो mix होगा? No, it will not be mixed, so that is called immiscible. Understood? Miscible means the two substances, means two liquid can be mixed, like water and rose syrup, gulab jal and water. And immiscible, when two liquids cannot be mixed, for example, oil and water. Clear? So now, lastly, gases as solute. Gas are also solute because even gases dissolve in water, and that helps, that makes possible for so many species of animals to survive, animals and plants to survive. They are able to do so due to the oxygen and dissolved in the water. We have also learned that gases are also the solute because it can be dissolved or it can be mixed up with the water, okay, and that helps the plants and animals to survive. Understood? So we have learned about matter, states of matter, changing states of matter, and lastly we have learned about the solution. I hope my dear students you all have understood the chapter. For content and exercise you can visit the school website, you can collect the study materials, and let's meet up in the next